Welcome back to another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is December 25th, 2025. It is Christmas Day and it's beautiful outside today.
Yeah, it's about 50 degrees out here. We've got some things going on this coming weekend, so we figured we had an opportunity today. We'd come down here and check things out for you guys. There's not a whole lot of changes. We were just down here on Sunday and it's only Thursday, but one advantage we had today, there's no workers out there today. So we were able to put that drone down really close like we never could when there's people out there, because we can't fly over top of their heads while they're trying to work. We got some really cool shots today that we don't normally get a chance to bring you, so I think everybody will enjoy that. As far as the updates go for this week, at the intersection of the exit ramp on State Route 235 from I-70 West, they installed those 3 poles last week. They've got the cross poles, I guess you'd call them, on there where they will install the traffic signals. They got 2 of the 3 taken care of in the last couple days. The other 4 poles down at the main entrance, down at the intersection of Center Point Boulevard, State Route 235, and Buc-ee's Boulevard, they got the wires or the cables installed down there so they can hang the traffic signals on. The rest of the site, as you can tell from the video, just a little bit of progress here and there. Not a whole lot of changes. Like I said, we were just down here a few days ago. But if you guys are new to the channel, we'd like to thank you for stopping by. Tell you a little bit about us. Our channel name is Follow the Arrows. I'm Ron.
Sonia.
We like to do travel and adventure content, roadside attractions, amusement parks, anything that we think is interesting, we like to put in a video and share it with you guys. And we've been making these Buc-ee's construction update videos since November of 2023, when this was just an empty field behind us. And we're going to keep going till the grand opening, which is going to be next year in just a few short months. So if you like what you see, we hope you stick around and check out some of our other videos. This past week, we asked you guys to drop a Merry Christmas in the comments, and we're real pleased with how many comments we got. Let's keep that going, and this year, let's everyone drop a Happy New Year in the comments. Well, we hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, and we wish everyone a Happy New Year. I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button for us.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
Okay, guys, last week we showed you where the Buc-ee's is going to have a hiring event in February. If you can't wait for the Buc-ee's to open, let me show you this. The Shell station across the street is now offering a $500 hiring bonus. So if anyone's in the area and they're looking for a job, it's a pretty decent bonus to sign up. In last week's video, we had a viewer leave a comment asking if we could have an overview map to show the location of the Buc-ee's. So here's a screenshot of Google Maps. It shows I-70 at exit 41 where State Route 235 is. I put the Buc-ee's logo where the Buc-ee's will be located. And for reference, if you look to the right, you see that's where I-70 heads towards Columbus. On the left, that's where I-70 heads towards Dayton. And to the north, that's where State Route 235 heads towards New Carlisle. Here's a good close-up look at the area where the Buc-ee statue is going to be located, taking advantage of the fact that there weren't any workers on site today, so we could get a closer look than we have before. Here's a close-up look at the north entrance to the store. This is the south parking lot of the store. Gonna pan around 360 degrees so you can see everything that's going on and what's being stored in this parking lot this week. This is a close-up look at the south side of the store. This is a close-up look at the South Fuel Pump Island. This is a good shot flying low over the parking lot, taking a look at the North Fuel Pump Island. This is a close-up look at the north side of the store. This is the small utility building being worked on at the back of the property. This is a close-up look at the back of the store. Here you can see the loading dock that they're currently working on. This is where the exit ramp from I-70 intersects with State Route 235. You can see the addition of the two cross poles on two of the three poles that were installed last week. Here's a look at State Route 235 in front of the Buc-ee's property. You can see all the improvements that have been made over the last couple weeks. This is the intersection of State Route 235, Center Point Boulevard, and Buc-ee's Boulevard. See the four new poles that were installed last week. Cables have been strung across the poles now so they can place the new traffic signals.